Certified Nursing Assistant program gives them basic health care. The curriculum is based upon the elderly population. So they learn ADLs, which are activities of daily living. They learn how to properly care for their bodies, the elderly population's bodies, and just regular everyday things.
I decided to get involved into the CNA program because I can use it as a stepping stone. Since I want to go into nursing school, I would already have all these skills under my belt, so it would just help me in the future.
I decided to get involved with this program because I want to better my understanding in the medical field. Like, this program really helped me understand a lot about the subject that I want to go into. I want to be a registered nurse. And being in this program showed me the minor details and minor things I needed to understand before I went into a bigger level of the medical field.
I learned we're CPR certified, which will help me throughout my whole life. I learned how to do vital signs. I learned how to do patient care, how to do indirect care, which is how to communicate with patients respectfully, and how to explain the procedure right so they know what's going on.
They're getting the basic foundation that is needed, which is the very first start to a health profession. Communication skills, time management skills, just actually having a conversation with a patient, learning the proper introductions and closings when you're interacting with the public, especially in healthcare.
Students get to explore the world of pre-nursing, so to speak. When they go to clinical, they are at an actual nursing home working with real residents. It makes a whole difference than rather working with mannequins, because they actually get the feel of taking care of a patient.
I'm gonna graduate with the certification, so as soon as high school is over, then I can immediately go find a job with the certification.
I think this program's something that a lot of students should join, especially if you want to be in the medical field, just because it kind of gives you like a preview of what you will be doing if you go to nursing school or anything that you decide to do in the medical field.
Students should get involved in this program because after you graduate, you will definitely have a job. You will definitely be set up for like the next couple of years of your life, and you will have a good start. Graduating with a CNA certificate is the best thing that you can do because you will have a job.
And they are able to go out and get real jobs, making very good money, and are able to support themselves. And for them to be able to leave high school and be career ready is very important these days.